Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I will show you how to add anchor links in Squarespace. So this one is pretty easy. What you need to do is simply first of all head over to your editor section and choose to edit your page. You can see once you click on to any of these segments or pages, like for example here, if I click onto this block, we do get an option to add anchor links. And where? Let me just show you. So you can see we can edit this section. We have the design option, and below that you can see we have anchor link. So we can add anchor link in here. Currently no anchor link is added, so let's just name it anchor 1, and it should once you have that, you can see we can create a URL link directly to this section, and it will lead to this particular section. And that's basically how you can introduce or add anchor links in Squarespace.